Okay, so here we have a 2011 Suzuki Swift, done 98,000 Ks. It's a 1.3 litre in a very nice electric blue. Sorry about the wind. Factory alloy wheels, good tyres on the wheels. Dark interior trim. And it is the push button start. So as long as the keys are on you or in the car, that's all you need to do to be able to start it. Now it's a very nice driving car, I suppose I should say. It hasn't gone all floppy at 98,000 K, still feels pretty tight. Clean and tidy hood lining. This is a non-smoker's vehicle, I would say. Yes, I am a non-smoker and I cannot smell any residue smoke. Again, fairly tidy in the back. Has the parcel tray. There's no real dings, marks or scratches down the right hand side. Also none down the left hand side, and this doesn't look like it's been touched up anywhere, repainted. If they have, they've done a very good job. This is 7974, everything included, on the road, ready to go. Again, it is a 2011 Suzuki Swift, 1.2 litre, done 98,500 odd K. Now we can do finance on this vehicle from as low as 9.95%. We can offer 1, 2 and 3 year mechanical warranties. We do trade in vehicles depending on the actual vehicle. And if you'd like to know more about this car, give me a call. My name is Chris. The number is 021 875738. That's 021 875738. Thanks for watching. That is a very tidy car.